everyone! Welcome to my channel! Today we're going to make homemade tortilla bread. We will start with 3/4 cup of warm water, add in 2 teaspoons of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of instant dry yeast. And then we will mix this. This will help activate the yeast. Then in a bowl, let's add in 2 cups of flour. Make well on the center. Crack 1 whole egg. Mix it with the yeast mixture. And 1/8 cup of corn oil. You can also use vegetable oil, olive oil, or melted butter here. Continue mixing until and then cover it and let it rise for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, let's dust off our surface with flour and start kneading the dough. When the dough starts to feel smooth, let's roll it over and then start cutting it into 6 equal pieces. Form it into balls and set aside. And then we will cover this and let this sit for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we can start rolling the dough flat, but we'll start in with dusting the plate with flour. We're going to stack the flattened dough here before we cook it. Start rolling the dough with a rolling pin. This is about 8 inches to 10 inches in diameter. We will just repeat the process with the rest of the dough. And then we can start cooking the dough in a medium heat pan. We can also bake this for 30 minutes in a 350 degrees Celsius oven. This recipe is ideal in making chicken wraps, which I will be posting the link here or on the description box below. Please do check it out. After all the tortillas are cooked, we can place it on a tortilla warmer or on a ceramic plate and cover it with a cloth to keep it warm. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!